Hi everyone, Dave here, and today we are going to be taking a look at this drone from Niceto. Now I purchased this because I've never flown a drone before and I didn't want to spend a lot of money. This drone was on sale for $40 from Niceto, and it has a 1080p camera and 2 batteries. So I thought, let's give it a try. But first let's unbox it. I want to show you how it comes and how it looks when you take it out of the package. So we'll unbox it, I'll charge it up, and then let's get flying. Here it is, how it comes in the package. You get a nice little carrying case inside. Looks very nice. Here's your controller. Feels very lightweight, very cheap. You got to put batteries in it, so we have to open this with a screwdriver and put the batteries in here. Here's a look at the drone itself. Very lightweight. There's your camera on top. Anyway, we got to get the batteries charged up. So the drone and the controller, it looks like these are the batteries. So 2 batteries, as it said. And in here we have the folding drone manual and the app operation guide. And in here you have some pop cards and the cord to charge with, and some extra props as well. So let me get this charged up and give it a try. But so far I'm impressed with what all you get with this. Okay, so I'm going to do another little flight with the drone today. And so all I have to do is turn the drone on. And you see the lights flashing. Then I turn my controller on. The lights go solid. Then we go in and turn on the Wi-Fi on my phone. So we go to settings, we go to Wi-Fi, we go to flow is the name of the thing, and then we go into the app itself. And now we can push start, and there we go. We can see the drone is showing me what I got here. So we got the camera working. So to start it up, all we have to do is push the takeoff button, and it will take off and go up about 3 feet. First we'll push the calibrate button, and now we'll push the takeoff button. And if it's not holding too steady, you can adjust it with these buttons here to adjust the trim. But it's holding pretty steady. So I'm going to go ahead up and take a look around. Let me turn it around here. Now I want to go up quite a ways and see what we can see on this phone here. So there's the view on my phone right now. You can take a video or a picture by just pushing the video. Okay, and you can take a photo while you're up there too. So I think this is a really good budget-friendly drone for beginners or someone who just wants to have one to knock around with, because for the price I think it really does well. They claim a 30-minute battery time with the 2 batteries, and I was averaging more like 7 minutes per battery, so I would say you're really only getting about half of what they claimed, or at least in mine, that's what my experience was with it. The other issue that I had was the controller connection stayed good, even at probably a few 100 feet up, but I would lose connection with the camera when I got above the treetops. So you can view the footage on your phone while it's flying, and that's when. But I would lose connection to the video when it got up above the treetops a little bit. So, but the controller worked far beyond that, so you could fly line of sight very well, much beyond that. It worked really good. It flies really nice. It controls very nice, and with the 2 batteries, I thought a 7-minute flight time doesn't sound very much from a battery, but when you're flying, it actually seems like quite a long time, and it's a lot of fun. So I do recommend this because for the price, I think it's a great way to start out and just get to know how to fly one of these things. Or if you already fly and you just want something that you don't have to be quite so careful with, this could be a drone for you. So that's my thoughts on this drone from Niceto. Thanks everybody. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I will get back to you. I hope the review was helpful and I will catch you again soon. Bye bye.